buttercups.
We've got one shot. Let's make it count.
Over here!
Hi, I'm the Prodigal Fish.
And I'm Chef Ohan.
And we're playing oh my god, Left4Dead. Back 4Blood.
Left 4 Dead.
My bad. Sorry. Made by the same people, so that should be enough.
Are you gonna use a sniper rifle?
I would rather commit traditional Japanese suicide with like a
Also known
pencil.
as Sudoku.
So I would use a pencil to kill myself before I use that.
Oh wow, that's John Wick yourself.
No, maybe, I don't know. I'd probably have to like glue it to the wall with some like easy grip and just sprint at it.
Okay, yeah, that's fair.
Alright, this Glock is a burst option Glock. Huh. Hey, I found a shotgun. The AA-12.
I don't actually really like using shotguns.
Man, there's nothing wrong with admitting you're deficient. It's okay.
I'd rather use a sniper over a shotgun.
How do I block someone from this game? From life?
And with that, Chef Ohan was never heard from again.
In fact, he went to. It's like I had to go to Mexico for a couple days. Don't ask why or where I'm going, or the places I frequent. But you might get a visit from two bald guys. See, this is so much better than when Aztec was just running around, smearing their feces everywhere.
It's like the Flaps all over again.
Come on. Need to keep moving.
Everybody's dead on the street. We just shoved the random with us.
Just zombies. Oh god.
I got you, buddy. And they started it, so.
Much obliged.
Alright, Gus. I hate Gus already. Not as much as I hate Aztec, but it's up there.
I mean, to be fair, Aztec also stole Holly from you.
I'm not butthurt about it, if that's what you're asking. Just saying, I can be a good man for Holly. Look at all this ammo.
Look before you fire.
Oh, Hoffman does not care whether you're in front of him. He is gonna fire at you regardless.
Oh yeah.
Okay, whenever I pull the shotgun, it fires twice. I have to write that in the...
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It's kind of a bad thing, because if you have like 2 rounds, right? You're trying to save one for like Christmas, it just fires.
Yeah.
Lucky day, HR.
Hey, but I had this 1911, I think. Alright, crossing. Reloading. You know, I used an M9 in my prior life, but I probably would use a 1911 in this kind of situation. You know why? At 45, just going through the skull.
Oh my goodness, what the heck is this gun I'm using? Is this the... Reloading! Oh, Glock 23. Oh, it's automatic as well. Cool.
Whoa, okay, I'm glad I wasn't part of that. You guys can have this.
Well, more Gus can have it, but...
I think I yeeted that bomb down there with him.
Yeah.
You're right, their heads do explode.
Is anyone still out there? We need help.
Damn it, Gus!
Gus.
It's probably a potato playing, like an honest-to-God sentient potato. It's just a potato with a headset and a connector hooked up with like a really long aux cord. That's what it is.
Yeah. It's just GLaDOS.
No, GLaDOS would have turned the game on and had made our guns try to kill us.
Oh, that's true. GLaDOS is playing the zombies.
But there would have been cake. That gave me pleasure to shoot her with this 1911. Ah, there's more birds. Ammo, sir.
Cool. See that?
Never know when I might need this.
keep hoping Gus is gonna be like, this game isn't that fun, I should leave. Damn it, Chef!
What? How is that me?
I don't know, but...
Where were the birds?
Well, obviously in heaven now.
I'll kill you if you do that again. I'm so sorry. Oh, what are you, a politician?
Oh my gosh, there's so many. Where are you, anyway?
Solution.
Solution, you say? Ohan's German, in case you're wondering.
Oh yeah.
What the hell, Holly?
Ooh, that guy lost his like entire upper housing. You know what? Screw it. Since we're just pissing off birds now. What's another wave? You know?
Yeah, exactly. Oh my god, I'm really low on ammo. Holy shit.
Hey, there's an ammo box here. Come grab some, my child. Over here by me.
It's your lucky
Yep.
HR.
Stun gun here.
She had yoga pants on.
Reloading.
Were they Lululemon?
I have no idea what the brand was, sir. Because I'm not a perv that just checks her out. She's more than just meat, sir.
Hey, I'm wondering about the fashion.
Although she probably had an OnlyFans account, for being honest.
God.
She just looks like the type. Alright. I'm going to use this Uzi of truth. Alright, whenever you're ready, Doctor.
Oh, you're not gonna like what I'm using.
Was it a... What do the kids call it? A, I don't know why I followed them down there. Oh, I can jump it. Alright, where are you at? There you are. Alright, what was I saying? Is it a Predator Reaper drone with a full complement of Hellfire missiles in a tow?
No, it's a nuke.
Oh.
Hey, worm faces. You're up.
Alright.
I got myself into a bad position.
I feel like that was hate speech what she just said.
I didn't even hear what she said.
She said worm faces. How intolerant.
Look before you fire.
Alright, coming up.
Gus, you're on your own, bud.
Well, I'm in the corner of truth, so.
Do I look?
Thanks, I guess?
Do you not see what it is?
Oh, your gun? Yeah, I saw. I just didn't want to accept it.
Oh, you just chose to ignore
I didn't want to accept that your parents didn't raise you right. Or at all. The door is closed.
Like that.